So friends, today I am going to tell you what is SIP, Systematic Investment Plan in Mutual Fund. With SIP, I am giving you this quote, a year from now, you will wish you had started today. Yes friend, SIP means Systematic Investment Plan. This is the best image of SIP which I can show you. Son, one day you will appreciate the truly important things in life. Thanks dad. SIP, small steps to big returns, systematic investment plan. Monthly SIP contribution at all time high of rupees 10,000 crore means approximately Indians are contributing approximately 10,000 crore monthly in SIP. You can imagine how much demand such investment avenues are in India, and we are unaware about it. We want to become financial professionals, we want to become a financial expert, and we don't know what is SIP. It is not okay, it is not done. You must have aware of each and everything, and you must be practically doing it. I am sure that your parents or your friends or your relatives must have been contributing in SIP. Inquire about them, where they are investing their money, how much money they are investing every month, so that you will have a great practical knowledge. You should also start your SIP. You can start your SIP contributing 500 per month. With 500 rupees, you can start your systematic investment plan journey. Indians are investing 10,000 crore approximately per month in SIP. Small is powerful. Invest a little every month and secure your child's future. Over 50 plans to choose from. So it will secure your future. Time to save. Time to save. Fine, sir. So when you see such news that SIP of 5,000 or 16,000 becomes 5 crore after 20 years or 5 years, so definitely it will attract you and it will help to build your future. Record SIP numbers brings cheers to mutual fund industry. Record investors are investing in SIP. What are you waiting for? Investors who continued their SIP after COVID-19 crash are now winners. Many investors had discontinued their SIP during COVID time, during pandemic time, during lockdown peak. But who continued their SIP during that time are now winners. SIP mutual fund calculator know how to earn rupees 10 crore when you turn 50. So you must be interested to know all these things. 10,000 SIP in a mutual fund would given you 1 crore approximately in 17 years. Mutual fund calculator, your 14,500 monthly SIP can become 23 crore rupees. I will show you the calculator right now, but let's explain the definition of SIP first. A systematic investment plan, more popularly known as SIP, is a facility offered by mutual funds to the investors to invest in a disciplined manner. SIP facility allows an investor to invest a fixed amount of money at predefined intervals. In the selected mutual fund schemes, the fixed amount of money can be as low as 500 rupees, while the predefined SIP interval can be on a weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually or annually basis. You can also choose monthly, quarterly schemes. You can also choose annual schemes. By taking the SIP route to investments, the investor invests in a time-bound manner without worrying about the market dynamics and stands to gain in the long term due to average costing and power of compounding. Your money gets compounded over the period. Fine, sir. So what are the advantages of SIP? Financial discipline. The regularity of SIP breeds financial discipline. It encourages forced savings that you have to invest some amount every month and helps you build a corpus without cramping your lifestyle. So investing 500 will definitely not affect your lifestyle, but it will bring more wealth in future if you are investing for long term. Flexibility. SIP provides greater flexibility in investing. You can increase or decrease the amount of investments at any time. So you can either increase your amount of investment or decrease the amount of investment. Convenience. SIP are a hassle-free mode of investing. You can easily do it online with a one-time set of instructions. Your SIP will automatically start getting accumulated. Lower risk. Lump sum investments may expose you to the greater capital risk. A SIP spread your investment over time and reduces the risk to capital and will help you navigate volatility better. So it is a less riskier investment avenue where you can invest a fixed amount on a monthly, quarterly, half yearly or annually basis. Can SIP amount be reduced or increased? Yes, it can be increased or it can be decreased. Can SIP be started online? Yes, SIP can be started online. Does SIP have a locking period? Normally no. Normally no. SIP do not have any locking period, but few products may have some locking period in SIP. What is the best time to invest in SIP? The best time to invest in SIP is now. Yes friend, now. How much should I invest in a mutual fund through SIP? It depends upon your budget. How much you want to invest depends upon your budget. If you have a spare money of 500, you can invest 500 per month. If you have a spare money of 5,000, you can invest 5,000 per month. Fine sir. Can I miss a SIP payment? Yes, you can miss a SIP payment. If you don't have money, you can miss an SIP payment. There is no problem, there is no penalty for it. Is SIP safe? Normally it is safer than other investment avenues because you are investing 500 and your money is spread over the period of time. Fine sir. How do I start my SIP investment? So it's very simple. Nowadays through online mode, you can easily invest in SIP. Now let's go to SIP calculator and let's see how we can calculate our future income, future amount with our SIP. So I wish to invest per month. So this is an SIP calculator which you are seeing. So let's say you wish to invest, let's say 1,000. You want to invest per month 1,000. Fine. Let's say now your age is 20 years and let's say in 50 years you will retire, or let's say in 60 years you will retire. Fine. So you have balance 40 years in your hand. You wish to invest 1,000 per month. 40 years you want to invest and you have to know your expected rate of return, the fund which you are investing. So this is the point which nobody can guarantee you. Let me tell you very frankly, no one can guarantee any return anywhere in the stock market. There is no guarantee of return. Past performance may not be continued in future, but with a fair expectation we can estimate it. Let's say from the past years the mutual fund is growing at a rate of 12%. So you can write 12% here. 12% here. Fine, no problem at all. So what is the resultant amount? The resultant amount is total you invested 3,60,000. Total you invested 3,60,000 in 30 years time. Fine. How can I calculate this amount? You can easily calculate this amount. 30 years into 12 into 1,000. So it's coming 3,60,000. And the resultant amount is 35 lakhs approximately. So 35 lakhs you will get approximately if you invest for 30 years. Every month you are investing 1,000. Now you can change your figure. Let's say you investing 10,000 per month for 30 years. Fine. And let's say your return is, let's say 15%. 15%. So now the amount is different. You invested in total 36 lakhs rupees. and resultant you are getting 3.5 crore. 3.5 crore. Yes, friend. Every month you are investing 10,000 rupees at the rate of 15% per annum. You are getting 3.5 crore after 30 years. So this is the total SIP calculator. There may be different SIP calculator also. Month wise we have calculated right now. There can be yearly SIP calculator, there can be quarterly SIP calculator. The return can definitely fluctuate as per the scheme which you are selecting. So this is total knowledge of SIP which I have given you. So I hope you like this presentation. I hope you will continue this practical journey after this presentation, and definitely when you do it practically, then you will definitely understand so many new things, because the practical knowledge is the best knowledge as per my opinion. Conceptual knowledge plus practical knowledge will make you definitely a person which you want to become a financial expert. Yes friends, you have chosen a journey to become a financial expert, and your journey starts from here. So let's play some videos which will highlight the SIP importance. Thank you so much friends. Thank you very much. My only objective of covering all this topic is to make you practically strong, so that Aditya Jain sir students, whenever enters into practical life, knows each and every practical aspect, and you will be in high demand. Yes, I want the recruiter to know that he or she is Aditya Jain sir student, and definitely my student will have an advantage of having a practical knowledge as well as conceptual knowledge, as well as they will definitely score 100% marks in the subject. Fine sir.
Why systematic investment plans? The idea behind a systematic investment plan or SIP is that you invest a predetermined amount every month or quarter for a specified period of time, thus allowing you to be disciplined in your savings. Since you are investing on a regular basis at regular intervals, your overall investment price is averaged, and you are less likely to be adversely affected by the fluctuations of the market. Also, you do not need to commit a lump sum in one go. It is a good idea to start investing early in life, even if the amounts are small, so that you can experience the power of compounding over the years. You can start with small amounts and increase these gradually as your income levels rise. For example, if you commit to invest ₹100 every month for the next 12 months, you would give your bank standing instructions to remit the desired funds via electronic clearing services to the mutual fund company on that fixed date each month. The NAV of the fund may change every month. In some cases, it could be ₹10, in some ₹9.45, in some ₹11, and so forth. At the end of 12 months, you would have averaged out your investment price in the fund. You can change the amount you would like to invest by changing your bank instructions to reflect the new amounts you will be investing. Start with as little as ₹500 per month to experience the power of compounding. Compounding is the snowball effect that occurs when your earnings generate even more earnings. You receive interest not only on your original investments but also on any interest, dividends, and capital gains that accumulate over time. Your money can grow faster and faster as the years go by, and before you know it, you may achieve your financial goals. Key takeaways: invest now, invest regularly, achieve big goals with small investments every month. Start with as little as ₹500. SIPs are a great way to ensure that you invest regularly and minimize risk by averaging your buying price over a period of time. You can achieve big goals by investing small amounts regularly. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. To invest with UTI, please call toll-free on 1-800-221230 or SMS INVEST to 5676756 or email us at invest@uti.co.in. You can also invest online at online.utimf.com.